Good morning. Right now I'm driving. I'm going to drive to the hospital to receive my second shot of Pfizer vaccine. First one was, as you know, 3 weeks ago. So I'm going to take you on a journey for the next weeks and how I'm going to feel day by day for the next 7 days. I hope it's not going to be bad because everybody telling me and from the friends who received the second shots that symptoms usually much stronger after the second shot. So let's see. Hopefully we'll be okay. Let's go. I just took the shot earlier this morning. So far, mild symptoms of just fatigue and a little bit lazy. I took 400 milligram of ibuprofen and so far it's not bad. Today I took 400 milligram of ibuprofen in the morning and so far symptoms have been very mild. It's just a little fatigue and body aches. Other than that, things are pretty under control so far.
Today I'm completely asymptomatic. I did not need to take any ibuprofen or Tylenol. And today I just had headaches in the morning that I took Tylenol for and took care of it. I don't know if it's related to the vaccine or not. I don't believe so because I didn't have any other symptoms. Completely asymptomatic today.
Today is day 7 after the second shot of COVID-19 Pfizer mRNA vaccine, and today I'm completely asymptomatic. I really encourage every single one of you to take this vaccine whenever available. Good luck, everyone.